I just bought this new knife from K-Bar. I had no idea it even existed. I saw it and I grabbed it right away. So this is, they call it their Forge Wrench knife. Comes in a cool plastic case. Gives you some history that it's made in the USA and that it's 425 high carbon stainless steel. So yeah, look at this. It's got a wrench handle, super comfortable. We're all used to that. It's got the loop at the end there. You can put a lanyard in it. You could wrap this, I guess, but going to kind of lose the drop forge steel and the K-Bar, Orleans, New York. So made in New York. Scabbards are made in New York also. You could wear this as a neck knife. You could have this on a tool belt. This is a really nice looking knife. One piece of metal, super sharp, easy to resharpen. This scabbard holds on to the shape of the handle, and there's a way to push it open here. Really nice knife. Great gift idea for anybody that's into tools, anybody that's into knives, or the outdoors. Hope this helps.